This is the elevator at Antonian Hall at Carlow University in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is an old Westinghouse elevator with the buttons replaced with part innovation and part EPCO. Go up to 5. This is an old Westinghouse, but with some of the buttons replaced. And that same buzzer is at the Grace Library. So yeah, this elevator has part EPCO and part innovation. It was pretty windy. Probably because that fan here at 5. EPCO indicator, and mostly EPCO buttons except for the door controls for innovation and fire service. Go back down to the lobby. Pretty basic cab. There's your lantern in the back. Case fire noise elevators. That's a pretty windy fan. ADA phone. What is NG? Just a light, not a button. Here's the map, Antonian Hall. Here back in the lobby. Here are buttons. There goes what's up.